Let's take a detailed look at how to make a right turn on red. Here we are at the bottom of the screen. When approaching a red light, you must first come to a complete stop behind the solid white line. We have our right turn signal on and must first check for pedestrians or cyclists who may be crossing the road. When clear, proceed cautiously into the pedestrian crossing. Now we need to check for traffic. Just like reading a book, we need to look from left to center and then to the right. First, look to the left for any vehicles moving straight through the intersection. In this situation, traffic is approaching from the left. We need to be patient and wait for the traffic to clear in both the right and center lanes. When a vehicle in the right lane has its right turn signal on, ensure that the vehicle is actually turning before proceeding into the intersection. When clear, make the turn and quickly accelerate to match the speed of traffic. Now let's take a look at traffic entering from the center. Here we are again at the bottom of the screen. We have come to a complete stop, checked for pedestrians, and are now slowly entering the pedestrian crossing. Now we must check for the flow of traffic. Just like a book, we look left, center, and then to the right. This time, traffic is entering from the center left turn lane. We need to allow all traffic to clear, and then we can make the turn. Now let's take a look at traffic entering from the right. Here we are again at the bottom of the screen. We have once again come to a complete stop, checked for pedestrians, and are now cautiously advancing into the pedestrian crossing. Now we need to evaluate the flow of traffic. We check left, center, and then right. In this scenario, traffic is coming from the right. We must be cautious of any vehicles making a U-turn, as these vehicles have the right of way. When clear, make the turn.